Parkland Chapel, I am going to give you a quick overview on how to sign up for the directory. So first, you must go to parklandchapel.org. Then under the Connect tab, right here, you're going to hover over Directory and click on it. Or you can go to parklandchapel.org/directory and it'll take you there. Now, if you've never signed up for the directory, you want to do that. So you're going to click Sign Up here. And it'll take you to this lovely form. So what you will do is you'll fill out your information and then you say, yes, I'd like to add my household to the directory. And then you can do that. Then you'll click Submit. After you do that, you only have to wait a couple days, hopefully. And then you will receive back an email saying you've been accepted into the directory. This is so that we can vet people, and people who are not Parkland Chapel cannot access the directory. So then once you click the link in the email that you received welcoming you to the directory, you click through all the information that you want to share with fellow Parkland Chapelers, and then you're good to go. And after that, you can view the directory.